guys, how y'all doing? This is Michelle here at My Everyday Wife Life, and this is the One Box Challenge. So did you fill your box? Is it full? Are you ready to take it to the Goodwill? Because after this video, I want, if your box is full, well, even if it's not, just take it to the Goodwill, get it out of your house, and start a new box. So this is the One Box Challenge. So I did this in March, and this is coming from a video that Rachel from My Sweet and Simple Home used to do. She's no longer on YouTube. So I thought I would go ahead and start doing that too. I did it in March. The playlist for that will be listed down below. So this is a collab, so anyone can join, and it's an open invite. I will be doing another one in, let's see, this is June, July, August, September 30th. I will be doing another one, and that will be the fall One Box Challenge. I will be doing it winter, spring, summer, and fall. Probably go ahead and do it on the 30th of every season, whatever, and whatever month that falls in. So yeah, so I've been decluttering since the last One Box Challenge. I think pretty much I've got a box right away. So first I wanted to talk to you about casual decluttering. And I recently watched a video from A Hoarder's Heart. I forget what her name is. I don't know. Do you watch her? She is decluttering her whole house. She actually has hoarder's disorder, and she's working on that. But she talked about something in her last video. She talked about the Minimalism Game, which I played in February, and that jump started me for this year. Actually, I usually do one kind of challenge every year, and I did the Minimalism Game in February with a bunch of other YouTubers. I will link that down below. I've done the last year I did Clean Your Drawers Challenge, where I just went around and cleaned all the drawers in my house, one drawer a day for 30 days. I believe I have a printable on that, and you can click on the link down below, and maybe that'll help you. And the Minimalism Game too, except for, okay, and what was I saying? Hubby interrupted me. So he had to know where the mayonnaise is. Anyway, so yeah, I have the Minimalism Game free printable, so you can check off every day. If you don't know how that works, you do one thing on day 1, 2 things on day 2, 3 things on day 3, and so I might have to make a new printable for that. It's only 28 days because it's on, it was for February, and I did that on purpose. I thought 28 days was enough, so yeah, so anyway, so I always do something, but what I prefer to do is this one box thing. And I was participating with Rachel when she was doing it, and it's just casual decluttering. So as you're cleaning your house, as you're doing laundry, as you're fritz or fratzing around the house, as hubby would say, and you find something, oh, I'm not using this anymore, just stick it in the box. But the Hoarder's Heart, and sorry, I keep forgetting, I need to look that up, what her name is. And if you know what it is, put it in the comments below. You should go watch her channel. Very motivating. That she talked about something called JOLT. She was talking about the Minimalism Game and how it might not work for a lot of people. And I'll have to tell you, it is not for the faint at heart, for sure. It is for a seasoned declutterer, and even that, I don't think I ever want to do that again. That was pretty rough. I thought I'd try it, and I did pretty good. Got rid of over 400 items, but I prefer this way, and that is kind of JOLT. It's called JOLT. I forget what it stands for. Just one. Oh my gosh, I should know this. Okay, JOLT stands for just one little thing. So that means just one little thing every day. So you find one thing a day and stick it in the box. When the box fills up, take it to the Goodwill. Don't linger on with the box. I probably should do that. I always have a box. I've always had a box, even in my previous house. We've lived here for 9 years, and I really ramped up decluttering. I've always decluttered, but ramped up decluttering since doing my YouTube channel with challenges and stuff like that. I even did a challenge with Clutterbug, with Cass from Clutterbug, with some friends on YouTube. She has, I'll try to link it. She has like a list of like, do your kitchen utensils, your bakeware, and then she moved out throughout the house and for you to declutter specific things under the bed. I don't keep things under the bed, so I didn't have to clutter that. I just don't never really kept things under the bed. I think there's a piece of glass for a desk under there. Other than that, there's nothing, there's not boxes and stuff. So anyway, so I should get to what I've decluttered. So after I'm done with this video, I'll start another box. Actually, I want to start a basket. I typically keep a basket in my bedroom. Oh, I forgot. I have that too to get rid of. I have a basket in my bedroom that I keep. I don't want a box in there beside my dresser. So as I'm getting dressed or putting away laundry, if something I don't need, I just throw it in there, and it doesn't look horrible like a box in there. I can't keep, you might be saying, well, why don't you keep a box in your garage? Well, my garage is horrible. I mean, it's not horrible. I mean, it just gets really dirty. I keep my lawnmower in there. I don't have a shed for that. And it just, the way it's situated, the wind, we often keep the garage door open and the wind blows in there. It just gets really dirty and things get dirty. So I just keep it in the house. So I have put a basket that I had in the entryway. I'm going to start using that. Typically, I would just throw things in there that when I was decluttering, not decluttering the house, like picking up the house, and I would throw things in there and not put it away, like my shoes and stuff like that. So that's good. Need to stop doing that. So let me show you what I have over here for the box. All right, this is a massive box, and Calvin is snooping. So there is a lot of stuff in there, and I taped up the sides in case I would fill it up more, but that's about all I got, and I am not going to wait till it's full. I'm going to go ahead and take this today. I'm going to go run some errands after this video, and I'm going to take this to Goodwill. And then this is a bin, which is stuff that I am going to give to family members. If they don't want it, I will take that to Goodwill. So there's that. So I'm going to just start grabbing some things out of the box and show you. I'm not going to show you everything because, yeah, that would be a very long video. All right, the first thing I'm getting rid of, ooh, that's an echo, is this. I no longer like this kind of decor. I had roosters and stuff in my kitchen, and this was above my refrigerator on some shelves. Actually, it was a cabinet that I take the doors off of to make a shelf. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and get that. I've been changing out my decor and not buying anything, just moving stuff around the house. And I also had this there, and I really like it, but it has a chip in it. And guys, I always wonder about stuff like that. Like, should I get rid of should I just throw this in the garbage? I'm thinking though a crafter might want it and break it up and make like a mosaic or something. So I always wonder whether I should go ahead and throw that away or donate it. What do you think? Oh, I'm getting rid of this. I don't think I need that anymore. Why was I saving that? So that would be memorabilia that I'm getting rid of. So donate or trash? Let me know. Okay. So I have a bunch of hubby's shoes. There's more in the box. He went through all his shoes. He's not wearing any of these anymore. So he got rid of 5 pairs of shoes. So that I'm donating those. I have tons of picture frames. So I'm getting rid of this picture frame plus a bunch like that. I'm getting rid of this Tupperware. Not Tupperware. Whatever. Storeware. And it's just, I have like a bunch of these, and hubby is not he's working from home. So we're not using as many of these. Well, we're not using them since this was for his lunch boxes and stuff. I'm not using these. There's plenty more where those come from. Sometimes I keep, but I have plenty of storage containers. I don't need them. I have 2 more of these. So if he goes back to work, not working from home, working in the facility, I can just, if one's dirty, I have to wash it. I have 2 more. Like I said, more frames. Right, a candle and some makeup. I don't know why that's in there. I need to put that aside. That needs to go in the garbage. I have a couple of bags. I don't even know where, like this is not a bag. Where did that even come from? I have no idea. It's a pillow cover. I think I got something in the mail and they sent this with it too or something. I don't remember. And I don't need that. And then this is a bag too. What did I get in that? Oh yes, the kids' tent. I bought a little kids tent and I don't know. Should I keep that? No. I don't. Some more candles. I'm going to those mostly to using, I don't really like these, but obviously I've lit these. It's just dangerous with cats, let's just say that. I've gone to those battery operated candles, so I still have some of these, but I'm going to get rid of these. Magnets, Happy Easter magnets. Yeah, I don't use these anymore, so I don't like to have things in my refrigerator, so I can donate those. And then the things that I am getting rid of to family is this blanket. It doesn't really go with my decor anymore. I changed out my family room decor and I actually bought another blanket, so I'm going to donate that. I think that will go with my sister's her library. And then this material I'm going to donate to my sister. She's been teaching a sewing class to homeschoolers, her granddaughters, and Abby and Michaela that you've seen in my videos. So I'm going to see if she wants that. And then I have 2 of these shoe hangers because hubby got rid of a ton of shoes and I don't need these anymore. And the shoes that I have in his closet, I found a space for them without these. Kind of don't like this kind of storage thing anymore. So I have 2 of those. I'm going to see if my if my niece wants those for her closets. And if not, I'll just donate them. Okay, and if you are a YouTuber and you are participating, if you'd like to participate, that I will keep the playlist open through the rest of the week, and you can go ahead and add it if you aren't able to add it today, and let me know. And if you're having trouble adding it, let me know. So guys, make sure after you're done watching this video, you go ahead and watch the playlist. It will be linked down below. And the next 1-box challenge is going to be on September 30th. So get your box and start doing the JOLT. Just one little thing a day. So put it in there. And at the end of 30 days, you'll have 30 things. Take it to the Goodwill. I wouldn't suggest waiting to the 1-box challenge next time, because I actually believe I did take some stuff to the Goodwill since the last 1-box challenge. I don't recall. Let me know if you remember. I think I did, because I did my Monica closet. So the finish, I know it's been a long time, but I have the Monica closet that I totally decluttered. Oh, it was a mess. And there's still some stuff in the garage that I need to go through and get rid of, but I have taken some stuff to the Goodwill, and the finish on the Monica closet hopefully will be coming up soon, so make sure you watch that. So if you're new to my channel, I do a lot of decluttering for sure, and challenges and other challenges, but I also do cooking and cleaning and decorating and all things home. So if you want to subscribe, I would love to have you subscribe, and make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. It really helps out my channel. And don't forget to comment below. That also helps out my channel. And until next time, guys, enjoy your day. 25, 34, 35. 35 things I'm getting rid of. Oh, and I forgot. There's all these jeans that hubby get rid of. So there's 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many pairs in there. We're just gonna call it 40 things. Yep. Plus a couple things that I'm getting rid of too. So there's that. Don't forget to watch the playlist. The link will be right here. And if you're new to my channel, click on my face right there and subscribe. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up.